Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Circle to search on your Honor device. To begin, simply press and hold the Home button or the navigation bar at the bottom of your screen. This action will instantly activate the Circle to Search overlay, ready for your input. Make sure the feature is enabled in your phone settings for seamless operation. It's a quick and intuitive way to start exploring anything on your display. Once Circle to Search is active, simply use your finger or a stylus to draw a circle, scribble, or highlight any object, text, or image on your screen. The intelligent system will then analyze your selection and automatically perform a search for that specific item. This works seamlessly whether you are browsing photos, watching a video, or reading an article. It's incredibly precise and fast, giving you instant access to information. After you've circled your item, the search results will appear directly on your screen, overlaid on your current application. You won't need to switch between apps, which saves you valuable time. Simply scroll through the results to discover more about your selected item, including product details, related images, or helpful articles. You can also easily refine your search by typing additional keywords into the search bar at the top. For even greater flexibility, you can use two fingers to move the entire search results panel around your screen, ensuring it doesn't obstruct your view. This powerful feature significantly enhances your productivity, making information gathering incredibly effortless and intuitive. It's perfect for quickly identifying products you see online, recognizing landmarks in photos, or understanding unfamiliar text without ever leaving your current view. Enjoy the convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.